Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 46. What does it mean in extended fifth? The ABC correction will end at lower degree wave 2 of higher degree wave 5. The answer is, as shown, we noticed the ABC correction ended at lower degree wave 2 of extended wave 5. This gives the analyst heads up to expect how far can the correction ABC falls to.
Quote number 40. Jim Dogger said, "I just wait until there's money lying in the corner, and all I have to do is go over there and pick it up. I do nothing in the meantime." This quote means that patience is one of the most valued skills in trading. You have to remember to only strike when the time is right.
Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.